Hi. We're shopping right now in Robinson's Townville. Robinson's Townville. I hope you can hear it. So many junk foods. This is one of my favorite before when I was a kid. Ritche. It was so delicious. It has uh, lots of milk inside. Hi. We're going to eat now in Gilligan's. We're lefting Robinson's Townville. See? Here's our car. Our oldest car. You see me? I hope you can see me. So dark here. Because it's night. Already night. Hi. Granny Poke here. Got my new haircut. I'm having a headache and hungry. I hope you like my haircut. We're in Gilligan's now. Our food is preparing. Okay, we're done eating. Uh, Still, I want to go home because my head hurts so much. I'm sleepy too. I'm so tired. I'm eating my dessert. Leche flan. I'm almost done eating. Uh, we're gonna go home a few minutes later. Um, that's all. Bye. Subscribe.